Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Troy here. Hope everybody's having a great day. I wanted to show everybody this story that I saw on Fox News today. This guy here that you see in front of you and his son, the gentleman here, I don't know exactly where he lives, it's somewhere up north, and he's a longtime gun owner, a hunter, and I cut out some of the story because it was going way too long. But he's some type of a firearms instructor and teacher, and teaches people how to use safety with firearms, things like that. His son is 11 years old and is actually a licensed hunter where they live too as well. And you'll see in the story that when it starts out that he posted a picture of this young man holding an AR-15 in their home, and he posted it on Facebook. Well, some crazy son of a bitch saw it and contacted their local family services, and the police, not in a normal time of day, later at night, show up at the house, knocking on the door, saying that they're going to come in and they want to make sure that there's no guns where kids can get them, that everything's okay, and they threatened to take his son away from him if he didn't. Then they said they wanted to get into his safe so they can check the serial numbers on his guns. And he asked them if they had a warrant, and they said no. And he said, "Well, get out of my house." So you see how the story goes, and then I'll talk to you at the end.
Of his son holding a rifle. This is the picture Sean Moore put up on Facebook. It shows his 11-year-old son properly holding a rifle. The boy has a New Jersey hunting license and recently passed the state's hunter safety course. But someone saw this photo and thought it was grounds to call family services. They showed up at Moore's New Jersey home along with police demanding to search his house. Moore said, "Think again," and he says they threatened to take his child away. Joining me now to discuss, Elise Wheel, Fox News legal analyst, and Jonas Bilbor, who's a former prosecutor, now defense attorney. Lise?
This is crazy.
Can they do that?
No, they cannot. You have an absolute right under the Fourth Amendment to be free of warrantless search and seizures, and that's what this was unreasonable. They came late on a Saturday night. They knocked on the door. They scared the wife. You know, it was just, if you don't let us in, if you don't let us see your gun, they'd even seize your guns. Go into your safe and see what you've got in your safe. We may take your child away. They didn't even have a warrant. When they asked and said, "You're not coming in without a warrant," they left, and Megan, they never came back, which tells me they knew they didn't have probable cause for that warrant.
And here is Sean Moore, the dad of Fox and Friends this morning. This is soundbite number 1, talking about what they wanted to do.
They wanted to go through the house, make sure guns were not available to kids, and once they went through the house, they wanted to get into my safe, and they wanted to run the serial numbers on all my firearms and make sure they were all registered to me and catalog them.
So what did you guys think? Isn't that the most ridiculous freaking thing you've ever heard in your life? You know, a picture just innocently put on Facebook of a young man, you know, a little kid, 11 years old, holding a rifle that's trained how to use it, and some asshole overreacts, sees it on Facebook, and then the police even overact even more, and that goes to show you how much we as gun owners have to deal with people trying to infringe on our rights to own guns and infringe on our rights, on our Second Amendment rights. So I just wanted to put that out there. I wanted everybody to see that you know, that there's always something going on with people trying to infringe on our Second Amendment rights. And you know, even though the assault weapons ban proposal was dropped from the bill, it still can be, you know, sent in another way, and there will always be you know, people trying to take our rights away from us. So you know, we always have to continue our fight. So thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I wanted to make sure you guys did see this news article. Please give us a thumbs up for the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.